Homes in the Mission Valley woke up Wednesday morning to rumbling and shaking as a magnitude 3.7 earthquake hit just outside Ravalli.
Well, I was up, awake, getting ready, packing for a trip.
6:45 or so this morning. There was a bit of a rattle. We had a nice little wiggle.
And then all of a sudden it really felt like something hit the house, like it was an explosion or maybe one of the trees came down.
It took about a half a second to realize that it was an earthquake, and it was kind of loud.
Oh, I felt this one, and it scared me.
Suddenly woke up and thought I was in San Francisco, because the last time I felt something like that, a vibration moved through the house, was in San Francisco. So I didn't know where I was, and then I kind of was baffled that we had something like that happen here in St. Ignatius.
I did speak to 2 other people on the phone about their experiences, and they say that although it was a short earthquake, it did wake them up by shaking their bed or rattling some of those plates and glassware. In St. Ignatius, Hannah Hyslop, MTN News.